Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit wave effect for photos in Alight Motion. So if you want to create smooth and eye-catching wave effects in Alight Motions, through this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply and customize the effect to make your edit looks more dynamic and professional. So first, you can just launch the Alight Motions app on your device. And here you can just tap on the plus icon and choose the ratio for your project and just start by creating a project. Now you can just tap on the plus icon and choose the photo. Click on the media options. Okay, I've already selected the photo. So here you can just go straight to effects, tap on add effects, and in here you can just tap on this category, distortions or wrap, and just add this effects right here. This one, turbulent displays. Click on it and then tap on this standard settings. And now you can just click on the effects and add a keyframe at the start and then another one at the end. So at the start in here, you can just adjust the parallax, offset, string, and evolutions of the effects. You can adjust it to how you like it. You can just swipe on the keyframes. I'm going to lower the string. Okay, you can preview the result first. If it doesn't satisfies you yet, you can always adjust it again, the effects. Okay, when you are done, you can just go back and you can preview the result by playing the video. So that's how you can create a wave in Alight Motions. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.